Hey guys! I keep looking here, but it should be here. So, Katie and I have decided to do vlogs. So, we're in Barnes & Nobles right now.
Oh yeah. I want to get this book, but I'm not sure.
It smells like fart. Oh my god.
No, but yeah, come along with us.
I got hiccups. I have hiccups.
So basically we're in the nursing section and I don't know what to get.
Katie's trying to be a professional nurse. Hey. Grey's Anatomy.
No, I'm trying to see which ones I can get because I don't know, they're all expensive. They're like 50 above.
What?
And yeah.
That's crazy.
Especially this is the drug guide. I mean, come on.
Well, yeah, I feel like the drug guide. That's huge. Look
Yeah.
at this big ass book, guys. Wait.
I think you can turn it around. Can you not? Oh no, you can.
Nope. Okay, well that's a struggle.
See,
okay.
Look at this, all these drugs. But like the class is almost over, so I don't know if I should do it anymore.
But you should.
But I mean, I still need drugs. Like this is gonna be for every day.
Katie needs drugs. I hate hiccups.
I wish these specifically sold things for the HESI.
Do they not have anything for the health assessment?
Yeah, they do have some for health assessment. But
Mm-hmm. I was just making weird faces.
oh, okay.
I can't do hiccups right now.
They don't have the book that I want. It's called like Pearson or something.
Oh, the like Pearson brand thingy?
Yeah, but
No, yeah. But
psychology.
Katie and I have been slacking with our videos, so just...
Oh yeah, we haven't made a video in about like a month and a week.
You actually counted? I
No.
didn't know.
No, I'm assuming.
Okay, we're gonna go on a little mission, and we'll report to you soon. We back. And we found...
Yes, Sarah is dirty. Look what she grabbed.
Wait, show it. You did show
Oh.
it. Oh, it's backwards. Is it gonna be like normal? So basically, it just says Karma Sutra and all its positions. I don't know if you can hear me, but you know, you have to. Yeah, it's weird. It's weird vlogging in public. It's weird vlogging in public.
Oh yeah.
Like,
I mean, I've never tried it, but it seems hard.
like don't you have to hold it like this?
Something like that.
Like,
yeah.
hey guys. I don't know. I don't know how to vlog.
Okay.
This
Do you
is
wanna
new.
quit?
Yeah. Goodbye. Hey guys. So
We're out.
we just left.
Got these books.
Got these books, and
Oh,
we'll
no,
show you them.
We should do the whole.
Yeah, no, we're gonna show you them when we sit down. We also we went to Sports Authority over there
The way you're
in the
holding
distance.
it is so
Well, cause I don't know, like, cause you can't go like this, like, you know, vertical. Okay, wait. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna show us our books. Hey, you wanna go first, or I'm gonna go first?
Sure. Okay, I got this. Can you read it?
It's backwards. Why is it backwards?
No, it's okay. They can read it.
Okay. Read it.
Okay, and this one. I think it's cute. I think they're.
I like the covers.
These are like books. I guess like your own little therapist.
True.
In
I
a
need to get
book.
books like
I think it's entertaining. I think
that. I need to get books like that.
like it's good for everyone to have one. I don't know.
No, I need to actually get one. I don't have any of those, but I do need to get one. Okay, so I got. Is this a mark? Oh well, whatever. I got Mindy Kaling's book. This one. Because she's my new role model. She is so funny. You guys should watch the Mindy Project because I die every time I watch that show. And then I got Mockingjay. I already read the book, so don't say anything.
Should I do this?
I already read the book. Yeah, you can get your own. I read the book, but I want to reread it before the movie comes out in November. And Katie got something from
Oh yeah, Sports Authority.
Sports Authority.
I got like a reward.
She
And then I got just 2 shirts.
ultimate membership.
Ultimate membership.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Target now, and then
We'll update you later.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically now we're going to, let's go. We're going through the child section. Where's your Sarah?
These are the only clothes that fit me.
What? Oh yeah, these are like little kids' clothes.
Guys, what do you think?
So
Outfit of the day.
Outfits of the week. Okay.
Twin. Hashtag.
Oh my god.
You should send that to Carla. Snapchat.
Sending it to Carla. Hold on. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Oh, this is perfect.
So now we're in the fitness section.
Gotta get my. Oh my god. Ew, this looks weird. This isn't that heavy. Wait, I want to get a heavier one. Oh shit, 20 pounds. Oh my god, no.
No, seriously? Is that heavy?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me try this. Here, film me.
Oh. I told you. Wait. Okay. Working that.
Damn, this is. Ooh.
Yeah, see? These are heavy. You know, the 7 one's not that bad, but then you get the 20.
I need to work on my
upper body.
my weight gain. Well, no, not my weight gain, but you know, like my weights, the amount I can like carry.
Yep.
Oh my god, I thought that was Terrio, but I'm like, no, that can't be Terrio.
That's Jerry Perp Drink.
Jerry Perp Drake. Hey, shout out. But look who I found. Where is it? Pop Pilates. Cassie Ho. But her thing isn't here. It's all about Jillian.
Where's my...
Oh my... Okay, so we found penny boards. And okay.
Stop. I'm not ready. How do you ride this? Oh, you can't. It has a little... No. Okay, wait. Hold on.
Remember these? Oh my god.
Oh, this one should work.
Okay, they put like wheel stoppers on every single thing that has a wheel.
No, this one.
Oh, except the skateboard. Okay, let me try this.
Oh my god, Katie. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hold on.
It's this one. Oh my god, Katie, I'm scared.
I can't even film this, literally.
Remember when I fell? Remember skateboarding with Aurora?
Okay, never mind. I can't do this. I can't do this
No,
at
let
all.
me try, let me try, let me try.
Okay, you try it. Sarah's gonna try it right now.
So, we went skateboarding with Aurora once, and I fell on my side. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
I was like,
no, you fell on your back.
Really?
Yeah.
I swear it was on my side. It was like,
Oh.
it went under me, remember? It slipped under me, and I was like, guys,
How do you feel? So, yeah. Wait, are you gonna do it?
No, they got the wheel stopper on this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, mission failed.
Did you hear that?
No, but seriously, if I'm ever gonna get a helmet, which I should, I have a bike.
I want
Get me one of these.
I want a scooter. Sarah.
Need for speed. Oh yeah, Sarah just said that, but
Hey, what up?
she got that mohawk. Oh god.
Okay.
Oh wait, is it?
Yeah.
Remember Lizzie McGuire, that episode where she did like the ring?
Yes.
Okay, now let me try.
It's lighting up because it's active. I can't hula hoop. You're gonna see me. Oh, hey. Let's add another one. I can't hula hoop. How do you hula hoop?
You gotta move your
My
waist.
hips don't lie.
Look, it's your Sarah's family. Oh, okay. I'm not good at this filming thing, but wait, hold
No,
on.
they got one with our chalk. Do you remember these?
They got these.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, the skip it's. Okay. Well, now your Sarah's gonna.
What is this? Rip off.
Yeah, I don't know what we're doing, but we'll update you later once we have something to update you on.
Do it.
What? This? Oh yeah.
Oh my god, there's a camera right there too. There's a camera right there. So we're just gonna start filming things around Target because there are cameras everywhere and I'm pretty sure they can see what we're doing. But that's okay because we gotta get used to vlogging. Oh, hey! Alright, wait. So if we're gonna film like this, there we go, right? Katie and her soccer skills.
Wait, what?
I was...
Oh, wait.
No, I was... The struggle is real. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm just gonna go down the aisles and show you what's in Target, and people are coming, but that's okay. Oh, a wild Katie has appeared. Oh my god.
So I'm just here, you know, looking at the noodles. I'm so fancy. You're ready? Oh.
Practicing my swim moves.
You already know.
Ow, that hurt my knees. I'll be doing the sex moves. Okay, we're gonna cut that. We're gonna cut that. We're cutting the end part. Just letting you know. You already know. Katie has a confession to make. Katie loves
I'm buying it. It's only $11.99.
sunglasses. We're gonna try some sunglasses.
Oh, Gangnam Style.
Do it. Do the open one with her. Yeah.
Wait, are these even good? This is my mirror. No.
She's using the camera for her mirror.
Look at this. Look at all these British loving people.
One Direction.
I don't know. I need like a pair for the summer because
I need a pair.
No, but seriously,
Wait.
What? What a bugs.
Alex James. I took off my glasses. Wait. Wait. This is just a mess.
What a bugs.
Up. Oh my god, this is like Inception. Wait.
I look like a police.
Police. Hello, can I get the police? There's so many
This
sunglasses.
is too much.
My mom would actually get that, though, not
Really?
gonna lie. Because she tries to be so stylish. I'm like, Mom, that's not stylish.
I don't know why.
Do you guys see this? I am struggling.
What a bugs. Oh my god.
That's like, what a bugs. Alex James will forever be.
Yo, seriously? How much is this? Oh, actually, it's not even that bad. It's only $9. No, it's $8. But
That's
still.
actually pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I can. No, that's actually really good.
How much
That's
can you
weird.
get
I
it in
didn't that
Peru?
No, I get it for like $35.
Dollars in Peru?
Not dollars. It would be three divided by 3.
$1.
$35 divided by 3 is $1.
Oh, I thought you said three. You said
No.
3 divided by 3.
Then it's like around $9, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna like drop your phone.
It's okay. I need a new one anyway. Oh no, we
Let's
have
go to the
insurance.
dog
We have
section.
insurance on the phone, so I can easily change it and get a new iPhone. Did you know that? Did they squeeze? Isn't this so? Literally, Katie and I had the same intention of squeezing this toy. Okay. That came out wrong, but you know what I mean. Katie.
Oh my god.
Katie loves
This is the holy grail.
squirrels.
How can they have a toy for squirrels? I mean, how can they have like
A
a
dog
squirrel
toy?
toy for a dog that they can chew up? Like that's so discrimination. Lean back.
There's a
Lean
camera
back.
right there too.
Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Okay.
Ow, my legs.
Okay. There
What are we
people everywhere. I'm serious.
What are we doing? So I'm gonna be in the section when I finally get a dog, which I am gonna get a dog. I will get a. Katie's neck struggles. That hurts. Yeah, I don't think I brought it back from New York. Where are you? I'll swim in this. You have to film it from like here. Wait. Oh, you can see my hair. Okay, so yep, that's Katie and I's normal, interesting
But
habits.
it's weird because this is the first time vlogging, so we don't know how to do it, and
Do-
we're like kind of uncomfortable.
Do vloggers just like when they?
I feel like they can flip it easily, and like we don't know how to flip it yet, so
Maybe it's like they have like that. Don't they have like that special like
No.
expensive photo
oh.
editing thing?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. But
We're
I
using
don't know.
iMovie.
Yeah, and
Basic
and,
bitch ass.
and we're using a regular phone or like an iPhone, but
Oh, I need to
do it.
save up for a camera.
yeah, I need to get one before I go to Peru.
Yeah, Katie's gonna vlog in Peru.
Oh yeah, I am.
You
Well,
better.
at least I'm
This
planning
is
to.
the promise. I don't know what I'm saying, but basically this is the vlog where Katie decides and promises to vlog in Peru.
No, I mean I don't know. I need to get a camera first, and then I'll see if I can do it. But other than that, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it.
I want to get the.
Oh, I thought you were gonna go down. No, I thought you were gonna go up.
Wait, do it. Stop. Your knee's about to break. My lips have been chapped. Like,
Same
For
for this
the longest
whole
time.
winter and spring.
which is bad.
Spring feathers.
I probably look like I probably look like I need water. If you know where that's from, if you know where that's from, then you're obviously a 90s kid.
Need water. Okay.
Sandy.
No, I can't even do it.
I can't do it. It hurts.
Sandy. Oh, no.
It hurts my throat, doesn't it?
Isn't this
Water.
Diana, I don't know if your mom is like my best friend, but I feel like I always see her somewhere. I feel like I just
Wait,
saw
what's
her
her
too.
what's her first name? Diana's mom's first name.
Rubidia?
Hey, Rubidia Santos. What up? Okay. I don't know.
I'm so fancy.
Cocoa butter. Katie, do you put Vaseline in your hair?
No. Man, shout out to Krizia.
Oh man.
This is necessary.
Yeah, I can never like
I can never
lather
reach
my
back
back. Yep.
There's a woman that's just terrified.
Did you see how quickly I ran? Okay, do you want us to get the dyeing your hair thing? Right?
Oh yeah, let's go.
No, they have the root touch up.
Oh no. I want to like dye my whole hair again. Let's see. Let's go through the process, guys.
What? There's a cool process. Okay.